Okay, go! I can't see! Go! Huh? Do it! Well, I really can't. You look like a faggot. I said you look like a faggot.
Yeah, because you weren't standing in the right fucking spot.
I'm like, try me, so gay.
Well, you didn't stand in the right spot. It's right there. Here, you said I look cool doing this too.
Are you still recording?
Yeah?
Were you recording my stupid face?
No?
I'm gonna kill you.
Ready?
I have to get in front of you. Hold on, you fucking idiot.
No.
Because it was said so. Do it.
I can't.
Oh my god, do it. I'm gonna fall. God damn it. She's a fucking idiot. Big one, big one, big one, big one, right now!